Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Sign into the profile that started the cloud session and have the controller in hand. Once logged in, locate the cloud gaming app or browser tab streaming your game. Don't just switch apps. Make sure your network is stable so commands register. Immediately press menu to pause, then choose Quit or End Session. This closes the active stream and prevents input lag while you perform the next account-level steps. Once done with the local quit, sign into account management using the Xbox app or a browser on your PC or phone. Navigate to Devices or Active Sessions and scan for any entries labeled Cloud Gaming, Xbox Cloud, or Streaming. Select each active device and choose End Session or Remove Device to force a disconnect. Make sure to close extra browser tabs and background apps that might reinitiate a stream. This ensures the cloud instance terminates and won't restart unexpectedly. To finish, sign out everywhere from your Xbox profile or change the password to force all devices offline. This is the most reliable final step. If you want to stop cloud gaming long-term, disable streaming or cloud gaming in your account settings. Once complete, restart your console and router to clear lingering sessions. If you still see activity, clear browser cache, remove saved credentials, and run a power cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.